Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. This is my Friday Night Gab. So usually on Friday Night Gab, I do just sort of like a recap of the week or something, and just check in on y'all, see how y'all are doing. Sometimes I do a live. This is not live. I did a live last week. I don't do a live every week, so this is a film that I have put up. So I do want to talk to you about a few things. I went to the dentist this week and went to the dentist last week. I had to have some fillings, a filling fixed and another filling in that same tooth. So we thought it was going to be a crown situation, and thank goodness it was not. So it wasn't a fortune this time for a change. I have another tooth that needs a crown. Eventually, I've been putting it off. The dentist. Who likes going to the dentist? Who likes going to the dentist? I don't think anybody does. Here comes Blue. This week, on Jean Louise's birthday, which is March 27th, the boys turned 7. I can't believe that they are 7 years old. I've had them since they were about 9 weeks old. And that's all just a guess, guess based on when they came in to the veterinary clinic and, based on their size and, their whole story. So, just looking back at the calendar, that's what popped up was the 27th of March. So that's what we picked and put in the computer for them. So 7 years. I mean, to me, they're still baby boys. So, but 7 is the start of being a senior cat. So they are big and bold, and not really bold. They're both very shy. And see, he went by, so I've got fur flying everywhere. Anyway, so I can't believe my boys are 7. I can't believe it. There's a lot coming up this week, next week, I should say. A lot of things coming up. I wanted to tell you that tomorrow is April 1st, and I'm not a big April Fool's person. Are y'all a big April Fool's person? I think I have something on my face. It might just be my old age. I don't know. I'm not... I get fooled easily. Yes, I do. But I'm not one to come up with really good things to fool y'all or anything. So anyway, it really is Autism Awareness Month. The month of April is Autism Awareness Month. And since I've had my channel, I think maybe not the first year, maybe not the first April, but I can't really remember. But I am in a group that does videos to bring awareness for autism. And the group is being run by Tracy and Chloe's Unboxing Beauty and More. And Tracy's done it for the last couple of years. And Tracy is, I will put anybody with a channel, I'll put below that I mentioned. Tracy and Chloe. Chloe has autism. And Chloe is really a great advocate for autism awareness. She will tell you how it is. She will tell you what's going on with her. And so they are the host of this collab. It's a big, huge collab. And what we're going to do is we're going to post videos every Monday through the month of April. Now, I will be on this Monday, April 3rd. There's 6 of us for each Monday, or thereabouts. So there's a lot of people. And you don't have to be subscribed to everybody, but we encourage you to go watch everybody because you'll learn some statistics from each of us and some other things. You'll learn about people's experience with autism and, their children, their family, their life, people that are in their life that has autism, things like that. It'll be very interesting. Last year, the last couple of years that I've done it, actually, I think this is our 3rd year, I think. People comment on my video how much that they didn't know that because I give you a little bit of information because I don't want to be on. I don't want you to, because there's other videos to watch. So I try to make a not too long of a video, and people tell me that they were not informed and they didn't know this or they didn't know that. And then also, almost everybody mentions someone that they know that has touched their life that has autism. So it'll be a very wonderful collab, and the videos come out on Monday, and like I said, there'll be about 6 people each Monday. So that hopefully you'll be able to watch everybody through the week and get to the next Monday when there'll be more. And what I'm going to try to do on my Friday Night Gabs and my Mask Mondays is tell you who's on that week that I know about. because we do have a schedule. So, and then, you know, somebody might not be able to do it because they drop out or something. So if you don't see that video, that's probably why, you know, somebody's sick or something. So I wanted to mention a couple of other channels because I am just so proud of them for doing this collab, because they have children in their lives that are autistic, like Tracy and Chloe. And then there's Johanna, excuse me, from JM Unboxing and More. She has Gabby, and you all have met Gabby over the time that she's had a channel, and he has autism, and she talks about that. And Amber's DIY and other stuff, she has Noah. And those three channels are the people that I know that have children that, excuse me, I'm sorry, that sometimes end up in their videos for you to see and to learn about. And I just wanted to really stress how important it is to watch these channels. And some of us are going to have giveaways, so look for that. I will have a giveaway, and I'll run it all month, so that'll give you time to watch other people and come back and whatever and do that. So that I thought that was very important to let you all know about that. And I also have my Fab Fit Fun Mystery Bundle Battle with Johanna from JM Unboxing and More is going on now. And my Treasure Trove is always going on. And I also have the Whisk F bags. I have that cosmetic bag giveaway going on. And I forget, but you know, I always have something going on, y'all. And I do have a couple of bonuses. I have not really been doing, if you're watching my channel, you may see, you know, Mary, where are the bonuses? I've been not as good as I should be about that. So in the Treasure Trove, I think I'll throw in a bonus too, so you can see it. But these were something that I got from my Macy's box. They're beautiful. But I already have this. This is the brand Nude Sticks. This is a really snazzy brand. And this is an eye shadow, a creamed eyeshadow. You can also use it for other things. You can use it as a highlighter and stuff. It's very beautiful. It's like a crayon that you will sharpen. And I think, or maybe it might be I think you sharpen it. And it's sealed, so I didn't want to open it to show you, but that's the color there, okay? And then this gorgeous lippy. This is from the brand Stila, also an excellent brand. And this is a beautiful lippy with that. And then I also have, I wanted to talk to you all about this crazy thing. Yesterday, on Thursday, I posted a Boxycharm Mega Drop Shop haul that I got. I posted the part 1, and tomorrow will be the part 2. I got a lot of stuff, y'all. And I understand that Boxy is merging with Ipsy, and they moved their warehouses and things like that. So they're getting rid of a lot of things. I understand all of that. But I am disappointed in this. I got this. I bought $60 worth of product so I could get a free gift. This is my free gift. And I'm finding from a lot of you that this was your free gift as well. And first thought, and reading up on it, looking at the website, you'd think this was a fantastic free gift. It's valued at $192. But it is, I'll show it to you again. And it's in yesterday's video. It has this product in it that is, I didn't open it because it's something that I wouldn't use as a primer. I don't use primers. It says illuminating serum and primer. And a lot of y'all told me, several of y'all told me it was dried up in there, and it does look funny. So I'm going to open it right now. I think mine isn't completely dry, but it is. See, it looks like maybe foundation, not even as runny as foundation. It shouldn't be like that. It doesn't smell, at least. I don't know if it would work. It may still work, but it's disappointing. You're supposed to be able to use the dropper. You can't use the dropper in there. Look how thick it is. It doesn't even pour. A dropper needs to, you need to be able to put the product in there and then squeeze it out. So that is very disappointing. That'll be going right in the trash. And that just is disappointing to me that I didn't want to spend $60. I wanted to get the boxes that were 10 products for $40. And usually that means you're going to get a couple of boxes. I actually got some bonuses in my boxes, but I made myself buy more things that I'll probably put in giveaways or give his friend mail and things like that. But to get something that is old, it's very disappointing. I also got this. This is still okay. This is a shimmer palette, it's called. It says Active Illumination for Eyes and Body. And I did not, it says made exclusively for Boxycharm, okay? I did not swatch it because I didn't want to break up this set in case I was going to put this in a giveaway. But I can't, you know, I can't do that. I would never give you guys anything that was expired or bad knowingly. I mean, if I have done that accidentally, it was an accident, just so you know. But this is called, well, the brand is Kypris, I think. Not sure how to say it. This is actually beautiful. This is a beautiful palette. It has a mirror on one side, and then it has these beautiful shimmers. And so I'm going to swatch that now. It is, they're beautiful. So I'm adding something else to the bonus for the treasure trove. This is called Bodyography, and this is a 2-set of eyeliner, pencil eyeliners, black walnut and onyx. It's a black and a brown. And they do have caps. I just took it off so you could see it. So that is also a bonus. And let's swatch this and see what it's all about. Excuse me. All right. Let's see. They're beautiful. Let's see. This one is called Starlight. Let me try to... Starlight is this one. Diamond Fire. This is Sun Glitter. And then this one is Gold Aura. So you see they're very, very light. I don't know how well they would work for the eyes. To me, they are definitely much more of a highlighter, or, you know, brow bone up here. But let's see. Let's see how... Maybe I should just do it here, because I don't know if you'll see it. My skin is so light. I have any tan or anything. But yeah, you see, maybe you can see that. They're gorgeous shimmers. They really are. They're beautiful highlighters. Beautiful highlighters. And then there's just one that's dark. And it is Shadow Alchemy. It's this one here, this dark one. Now that one I could see using, I just put it over another as a shadow. This one I could see using as a shadow. That's beautiful. They're beautiful. They're real. That's the one nice thing about a palette, an eyeshadow palette, is putting it up here. It doesn't really, because it's dry, unless it's, you know, there are some that are not dry. It doesn't get bad. But I have heard that this package is 3 to 4 years old. So, but I'll keep this and use it. I will keep it and I will use it. And it really is very pretty. Pretty shimmers to it, you know. I have that all on my fingers though, but maybe put a couple, try a couple, see what that is. What is that there? Anyway, I don't know if it'll, anyway, disappointing. So, but Boxycharm is gone now. And now we will be moving forward with Ipsy, well, Boxycharm by Ipsy. But we'll move forward, and hopefully things will be good from now on. So y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, and have a wonderful weekend. Be safe. We're having weather here. What else is new? It's like the weekend we're going to have weather. So y'all be safe, because usually that means it's traveling across the whole country. So be safe, and I'll talk to you soon, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.